Hello, TadHack. This is Giancarlos with the SeniorShield team. We're working on a telecom hack to help the elderly by helping to prevent scams and streamlining their access to healthcare. It's just me and my partner, Matthew. So, a little bit about us. I've been doing TadHack in the previous years from 2018 to 2020. I've been a enterprise software engineer for about 8 years, and I'm passionate about building software that impacts people, and I'm available for hire.
And hello, I am new to TadHack. He has brought me along this the first time. I do a lot of open source development. I'm currently working on a video download manager. I do a lot of system administration. I hoard a lot of data. Call myself an archivist, and I'm also available for hire. So approximately about $3 billion is scammed from the elderly every single year, and this can be from a variety of different things. This could be computer scams, this could be phone scams, a lot of romance, relationship type scams, investment scams as well. And we were trying to find ways in which we could prevent this from happening from our loved ones in the future. I've personally had this happen for my grandparents in the past, and this was just money that was just taken out of an account entirely, nothing you could do. And the one thing that we thought we could do would be call screening, a way in which a loved one could be contacted first and they could screen all the calls that come in for your loved ones and see if they're safe calls to go through.
And then another issue we discovered is that not all elderly people have access to broadband internet or even just access in general. And there's a significant enough portion of elderly people who live in rural areas, so they don't have easy access to telehealth medicine. So we figured out ways to use some of these telecoms services like SMS and even just regular calls to give them that access that they need when they can't access the internet.
Senior Share is a comprehensive system designed to screen calls for potential scams and to allow patients to directly communicate with healthcare professionals through phone calls and SMS or MMS messages.
So one of our features, as we've mentioned before, is call screening by loved ones. And so when they get a phone call from an unregistered number on their cell phone, it'll attempt to call like their son or their grandson, and then if all else fails, it'll fall back to AI to try to vet the call, eventually passing it through to them. And then we've planned out using SMS and MMS to let them send photographs to providers with any kind of concerns that they have, as well as scheduling phone calls with health providers like for mental health and other services. And then we wanted to build out a platform where like a legal guardian or a power of attorney, like a son, could have access to their health documents and they could have access to their health documents. And we wanted to secure all of that using the VCon technology as well.
Another great feature would be reminders for medical events, things like healthcare appointments and medication, things that can remind them throughout the day. Also, daily checks, wellness checks. Call them daily. If they don't respond, it'll contact a family member. And if also a family member isn't available, even calling 911.
All right. From myself and Matthew, thank you everyone at TadHack.